everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a Hello World program using JQuery, a JavaScript library. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. First thing first, guys, I would like to say thank you very much. We have already reached 101 subscriber in my channel. Even though the number of the growth of our channel is very slow, but it doesn't matter, guys. My main purpose of having this channel is to share my knowledge in computer programming, technology, and other interests in life that I think it is very beneficial. We are growing slowly, but I'm happy that there are new subscribers that are interested to learn more about computer programming. So let's start writing some codes. So here I'm using dev C++ as my text editor. That's okay, there's no problem at all. So here, title, Hello World in JQuery. Head. We'll save our work. We will go to the folder JQuery. Let's say, for example, we will have add HTML. We will overwrite. Yes. So here we can write script, type text / JavaScript, and then we have here jQuery.js /script. We have here script $open document ready function. Let's see, next. Dollar single quotation sharp CL, click function begin. We will use the keyword alert. Hello world in jQuery. Body, BR, button ID call CL, click me. Okay, let us save. Let us go to that particular directory. C JQuery. Okay, open to Google Chrome. Okay, it display now. When we click the click button, it is a hello world in jQuery. Okay, again it was when we click the click me button, hello world in jQuery. Now let us go with the code. Here we have here the title, hello world in jQuery, and then we are using this command in HTML to include the jQuery.js library, which is located to our folder jQuery. This is the file. When we try to open it, it's a notepad. This is the content of the jQuery library. And next, let's go back. So we have here the function, opening function in jQuery, and then we have here click function CL, which belong to this button CL, and then we are using here alert to display the dialog box hello world in jQuery, and then we terminate. The code is very simple, guys. At first when you are learning jQuery, it's kinda difficult or confusing, but as you go along with your learning from experience, writing so many codes, you gain experience and learn from your mistake. I'm very sure that jQuery is one of the most easiest JavaScript framework that can be used in a wide variety of applications, especially in the web. So here it displays the result with our code. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now. Thank you guys for watching.